Here's a good one if you haven't run into it yet. This is a 2011 Chevy Tahoe with a 5.3 liter P0128 code for a thermostat. Well, usually it's a thermostat, but in this one, we're gonna find out the TSB talks about this top hose going to the surge tank not having a orifice in it. And you can see that this hole is pretty wide open. It's as big in there. And then if we look at the new one, see if we can get a good angle on this thing. Right here. The new one has a really small hole in there. See if I can see it. Kind of can see it. There we go. Really small hole, the orifice in there. So they're saying it's letting it get too much coolant is flowing into the surge tank, not letting it get warm enough. So, sorry I can't get a good enough picture of that, but I forgot to do it when it was actually out of the vehicle. But there you can kind of see it's definitely a smaller hole in there from the orifice way back in there. It's just made the plastic smaller. There you go. Beware for that one.